Hello friends, very good morning. And in this session, we are trying to learn how we can read the SAP documentation syntax while developing the code. When we press F1 on any keyword, the pop-up shows something like this, right? For example, if we are going to press F1 button on the class keyword, the pop-up will show something like this. So how to read this one, how to understand this one. Okay, so uh, let me make it little large over here. So now you can see over here properly that here in the class definition you can see that it's a you know in the rectangular bracket. So the meaning of rectangular bracket means optional. Optional means nothing but like either you can choose none, means nothing you can choose, or you can choose one. Wherever the rectangular bracket is there, that you can like that is not mandatory. Okay, that's the optional. Either you can choose one, or you can choose more than one, or you can choose all of them. But this class definition, this is going to be very important. And this under the rectangular part, it's going to be optional. Okay, and here you can see in the rectangular part, create is there. Like if we're going to give the create, whatever there in the curly brace is there, you must have to give under, you must have to give those value over there. But here you can see the pipe is there, one pipe symbol is there. So pipe symbol means either one of them at a time you can use one of them. So either you can use a public or protected or private, you can use over there. Okay, so that's the meaning of pipe. It means one at a time, not two or three, like that. Whichever is there in the rectangular, more than one at a time, that can be used. But whichever is there under the pipe, one at a time, you can only use. Okay, and whichever is there under the curly braces, that means mandatorily you have to use, means mandatorily either public or protected or private, you have to use if you are going to reuse the, if you're going to give the create statement over there, right? Either this complete statement is optional, but if you are going to use this create, must you must have to give one of them, this one. Okay, here also the same thing in country versus you can see. So like if we're going to give the risk label, that means you must have to give either critical or dangerous or harmless. Okay, similarly here also you can see the duration. If we're going to give the duration, you must have to give either short or medium or long. So this is how you can try to understand. And here also maybe you can see here in this rectangular bracket, this is the complete rectangular bracket over here, right? So this is the complete rectangular bracket over here. So that means if we're going to use this duration, sorry, here duration already have explained. So here if we're going to give this global means under this optional, under this optional statement, you are having this global as a optional. So like if you want to use global, you can use, or if you're going to use this France, again this class 1 class 2 is optional, right? So you can use this France, okay, without using this class 1 or global 2 or like this, intf1 integer float or whatever it is. I think it is interface. Okay, interface 1 and interface 2. So this you can use public section, components, protected section, private section. Also you can see this is this public section. So from here it has been started and here it is ended. So if we're going to use the public section, that's fine, public section and dot is sufficient, right? If you want to use the components, that you can use. So these all are like whatever it has been given over here in rectangular bracket, it is optional. If you want, you can use, or without this also you can define the class. So this is how you can understand. Fine, then thank you for watching this video, and if you like this one, please comment and share. Thanks a lot.